Here we have the current stock market update for MicroStrategy Incorporated, stock ticker MSTR. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comments section so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So what we're looking at here is the 1 hour price chart. This means that each candle on this time frame represents a 1 hour trading period. And as we can see now, the stock is actually crashing quite hard at the moment. We're seeing new price lows that are coming in. Let's get an exact number here. We have fallen to 226.68 at the moment. And we have now fallen through this major support zone that has been sort of highlighted in the prior video. This was the downside price target, and we have now reached that price target and extended beyond there by a couple of dollars. So what was this area here? I believe I said 226.68. So, this important price zone has now been broken to the downside. This downside target has now been reached. So this does show that, the people that were in the comments section saying things like, we'll see, wait what happens and we'll see. We can see that that this downside price target has actually been hit, and all of these price projections have turned out to be accurate. Currently, what we're dealing with here is a share price movement that has fallen toward the 100 period exponential moving average, which is this ascending purple line here that's starting to flatten out a bit. And I will think that I will say that it is important here where we actually close the trading day at this point, because if we close below this 100-hour exponential moving average, that would be a very significant bearish signal for the stock. So, these prior price projections where we were suggesting that, the stock is going to have to find a top here at some point, those did turn out to be accurate. And there are very obvious reasons for that. Things cannot simply move in the upward direction forever. And then there was not a lot to be impressed about in this company's most recent earnings report. We are still looking at a company with a market cap of roughly $50 billion and a company that's sitting on roughly $17 billion worth of Bitcoin. So it doesn't really make a whole lot of sense unless you truly believe that the software business is worth the difference. And that would have to mean that it's worth several times more than the Bitcoin holding. And I don't think that people really do believe that. You can sort of try to make the argument that that's true and maybe try to fit a square peg into a round hole type of thing. But the people that watch this stock really tend to be very, very dramatic and sort of cult-like. It's almost like these people are cult members. And Michael Saylor is just at the helm of the ship. He's the captain of the sailboat, I guess, so to speak. And people are just willing to follow him off a cliff, even though the valuations here don't really make very much sense. It's really amazing that this stock was able to make any sort of traction at all. To be perfectly honest, I mean, it's not, you can simply buy Bitcoin for a much cheaper price, and it's really not clear to me why you would want someone else holding your Bitcoin, and then you have to sort of rely on this person, to not fail in other aspects of the business. I don't even think people know what the business does. All people really understand with this is that there is a lot of Bitcoin purchasing that's going on. I don't think anybody that's in not one person in the comment section has made one comment about the underlying software business. This is what MicroStrategy was about to begin with, and people don't even seem to know what they do. So the fortunate part about these types of downside price movements is that this actually gives us much more information to use when we're trading. When you're in these all-time high type of areas, it does become very difficult to make price projections in the upward direction because there is no price history there. There are a few different tactics that you can use, like standard deviation channels or Fibonacci projection zones that can be used, but they're a little bit less reliable because they're only based on one type of signal. And I personally prefer to trade using at least 3 different types of signals working in confluence with one another. So at the moment, we do have now some incredibly important resistance zones that can now be seen right around 256.90. This was an area that we pointed out in the prior video as a potential level of resistance. And as we can see here, this is exactly what we turned out to see in the share price itself. So again, these trading signals work out extremely well. Since then, we have now broken through support zones, which come in right around 239. And for me, in order to take pressure off of the downside, I would need to see share prices break back above that level, back above 239. I think that if you are able to move back into that price region, I think you can be looking at a bit more of a sideways type of price movement, a bit of a consolidation area, so that share prices can possibly form a base and then maybe make another run at those prior highs at $267. However, if that does not happen, the destruction in share prices here is starting to do a lot of damage to this price chart. If we see share prices break below, very close to current levels, roughly 227 or so, and close below this 100-hour exponential moving average on a weekly basis, I think that would be a very bearish signal, and it would suggest that we'll probably be in store for a retest of something closer to $200. Right around 205 is this prior price low from the 23rd of October. And then at the same time, you also have this 200-hour exponential moving average that's working in contact right around that same area. So for me, this is still a very important level to watch to the downside. This is a price region that we have mentioned in prior videos, but as we can see here, a lot of these prior projections and a lot of these prior price zones are turning out to be incredibly useful in terms of figuring out exactly where share prices are headed. So currently we are dealing with some downside share price momentum. This prior trend momentum in the upward direction has now been broken. So, for everybody that was in the comment section saying things like, we'll see where it is next trading session, or we'll see where it is in 2 weeks or whatever, do not bore me with that nonsense. It's the same comment over and over again. And if you're going to say something like, we'll see what happens, it means you don't have anything to say. You don't have anything important to say. You don't have an important point to be making. So overall, this prior uptrend in share price momentum is no longer considered to be active or valid. It doesn't mean that you can, sort of create a new upward trend momentum reading in the future. But this current trend momentum reading has now broken to the downside, and this was for a significant price movement. This is the price movement that created those all-time highs now at 267. So the fact that this has now broken to the downside, while this downtrend in momentum remains intact, is a significant development. And it does really show that these upward price movements don't extend forever, and it's really not a coincidence that that this latest earnings report did add a lot of fuel to this fire to the downside, and did create a lot of share price destruction here. Because what this actually does is it creates it creates a lot more attention, so that people can focus on what exactly it is this company does, which is really not much of anything. So it's really not an impressive business. And if you're bullish on cryptocurrency, it makes more sense to just buy the Bitcoin on your own. So here's the current market update from MicroStrategy, stock ticker MSTR. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.